Hey guys, just finished raining here in North Carolina. We're going to get the boat ready for a trip to the lake tomorrow. So part of that is filling up the water tank, and I've got an easy way to show you how to do that, whether you're on the trailer or on a port side tie at the marina, and you want to get to the water fueling tank on the R-23, which is midships, and you can have access with the window, but I've got an easier way, and I'm going to show you that here. All right. So we ran into, not trouble, but just an inconvenience with filling the water tank when we're either here at the house on the trailer, and you got to get access to that through the window and hold the hose in the tank fill hole, and deal with all that. Or if you're at the marina on a port side tie and it's a hot day and you got to have the window open while you're not only just opening and closing the tank, but also filling the tank, having to push a hose up there and everything like that. So I came up with this. This is a couple pieces of PVC that I bought pre-cut at the hardware store, half-inch PVC with a 90-degree bend and a small cut that I put in here to hold itself in place, and you'll see why that's handy in a minute. On the other end, I've got a hose connector. I've got an on-off switch, and then I hook up the hose just as I normally would. And what I can do is turn this on. I can flush it out, put it in the water tank supply, and turn it on. And I did that so that I could fill the tank from back here. But what I realized is I can put that in, start the tank filling, and I can go do other boat chores. I can check the lines. I can clean the deck. I can check the oil on the engine. Whatever the 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes it takes to top off the water, I now have my hands free. I've got the window closed if the air conditioner's running, and all for a few dollars worth of PVC and a hose connector that allows me to fill the tank amidships while I'm not having to have my hands tied up or the window open on a hot day. So that's today's tip. Hope you enjoy it. Hope it works for you on your R-23 or any other boat that has a water fill amidships. Have a great day.